In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use Notes on your Apple Watch SE series. So all you have to need, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, you have to scroll down and open the App Store. In App Store, tap on the search icon and type Notes for Apple Watch. After searching, here you get the Notes app. Just install this free Notes app on your Apple Watch. Now on, whenever you want to use the Notes app, go to your app library. In app library, here scroll down and open the Notes app. And now, here you will find all of your created notes. To create a new note, tap on this icon at the top right. Hey, I need help. And that's how you can just go ahead and create notes. This is a test note. And to delete any note, just swipe to the left side on the note, tap on delete. Thanks for watching.